Okay, we're here at 4930 Wiota Street here in Los Angeles, 90041. Now we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. We're here to check the main sewer line. You'll have your general inspector run the water everywhere. There's a few clean outs to run the camera from here, which we'll probably run them from anyway. Remember, this inspection is based on my opinion. And we started off by running the camera from this 3-inch clean out here right next to the gas meter on the left-hand side of the house. And we've gone all the way in to the city connection in the middle of the street. You see the city sewer flowing by over there. So I'm going to bring the camera back over here. You can see it's a concrete pipe in the street. As it comes back to a 6-inch concrete pipe coming back from the middle of the street towards the property. Now, obviously, this pipe's getting a little old, but so far it appears to be in pretty fair to good condition. I mean, it's functioning very well. We'll have a look at it as we come back. You can see some paper in the line over here. So, as it keeps coming back, this is a big 6-inch pipe, and it appears to be in pretty fair condition. Obviously getting a little old, but it is functioning. There's some very minor little teeny roots coming through it. So here it comes onto the property over here and changes to a clay pipe. Now, I mean, everything looks good over here. The pipe is obviously functioning. The only time you would probably have an issue at all is because it is a concrete pipe out in the street, and a public works inspector may make you do something to it. But as of today, as far as this is functioning, and that's what we're here for. So coming back from here, we have the clay pipe, and then it looks like we have a cured-in-place pipe lining that, as of today, appears to be in good condition. There's no roots getting into it. There's no roots at the end of it. One thing I must stress highly is that if you ever plan on cleaning the line, you should never run a cable with a blade through the line. You can see they did a lining and they've cut a hole in the pipe probably for a branch line to come in. So you never want to run a cable with a blade through a lining because you can damage it. So if anything needs to be cleaned on this line, it would have to be done with a hydrojetter very carefully. But as of today, the lining looks good. Comes back to some ABS plastic over here. This is all ABS plastic coming back from here. There's also a clean out in the front of the house, which is probably that right over there, what you're looking at right there. So this all looks good. Okay, here it comes out of the clean out here on the side of the house. We're going to pause the recording. We'll go to the other side of the house. Okay, so what we're doing is we're running the camera from this clean out here at the end of the line outside the house next to the laundry. And what's happening is, if you looked in the first video, we had when we went through from the clean out for the gas meter, we were able to get all the way through. And we saw this cut out on the lining, but when you come from the back of the house, it's not actually allowing us to get through it.
Yes.
Because, bring it back, Al.
Yes.
See, there's the lining, and we flushed the toilet, we could see it come by. So, you see, there's the cutout.
And then here.
Okay, so it's going to drain though, but it's difficult to make the turn because it's a T.
So it's
not very well. It's not very well plumbed in there.
Yeah, because that 90 is a little bit lower.
It's also sinking down a little bit. Yeah.
See the water.
See there, right there. So if you come back and if you look ahead, you can see there's like a cutout over there, which never So that's not a very good connection over there. Okay, coming back from there, however, it is all clear. There's ABS plastic, but it comes back to clay pipe, which has a little bit of roots in it. And as I said to you, there's no way that you should be cleaning the sewer line with a cable with a blade. It should only be done with a hydrojetto. Now, maybe that connection out there should be fixed properly, Al, so that it has a natural directional fitting. That wasn't done very well there. It all looks fine now, coming back from here, all clay pipe, it's all in good condition. This is on the outside of the house. It doesn't go underneath the structure there, that's a good thing. It's all pretty clear.
You couldn't get through to the street there, but you got through.
We got from the other side, we got through.
Okay.
And I think what happened is he never ran the camera from the...
Gotcha.
Because... Okay, we're going to bring the camera out over here. Look at the green. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, so that's all we can check over here. We'll go ahead.
In terms of this, what are you suggesting?
Stop
it's
the
functioning and working. It just has a weird